going. Life keeps on going while I'm frozen in snow. Yeah, I know that she don't want me no more.
Yo, what's up you guys? So today we're gonna be hydro dipping the skateboard. As you can see right behind me, we're gonna be doing the bottom of the board gold mixed with a little bit of champagne gold, little design we're gonna try to do. Then for the trucks, we're gonna be doing it solid black. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, we're gonna start off by taking off the trucks. That done taking off the trucks, we're gonna go ahead and sand the whole bottom of the board, take off that little glossy coat, but then also the current paint it has on it, so I can get a good little texture going so the hydro grip can stay on the board. But let's get right into the sanding. Got done sanding the skateboard, the bottom of it, so it's completely smooth right now. No more clear coat or paint or anything on the board right now. It's all dusty on this side. So for the first, to take off the first layer, I used a 100 grit sandpaper to take off everything. Then I finished it off with a 400 to smooth the whole board out. But let me go ahead and start taping this bad boy up so I can get ready to hydro dip it. Let's go. So these are two colors we're gonna be doing for the board first. We're gonna do the gold, like the shiny metallic gold. Then we're gonna do a champagne mist, two colors. You wanna get things started? Guys, this is finishing touches the skateboard. I'm about to go ahead and wrap it, take out the tape ring. So I guess you could say that some of the paint did go through. You kind of see on the grip tape right here on this side, but I feel like it's overall pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and piece this back together, putting everything back together, see how it looks. The finishing board that touches on the skateboard I just hydro dipped. As you guys can see on the bottom of the board is going to be that metallic gold with a little champagne effect on it, and the trucks are going to be the metallic gold with the black, as well as the wheels and tires on all four sides. But some of it did sadly end up leaking through on the board, some of the gold. One thing I would recommend you guys doing, if you guys do decide to do this like I just did, make sure you guys wear gloves. As you guys can tell, I did not wear gloves for whatever dumb reason when I was hydro dipping it, so I got spray paint all over my hands. But make sure if you guys liked the video, stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna involve me giving this board away for a competition. It's gonna be interesting to see and watch. But make sure you guys don't forget to leave a like on this video if you guys like watching it. Also comment any suggestions you guys have for any future videos in the future. Yeah, but with that, I'll let you guys go. Thank you.